Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to unbox our first Texas Speed crate engine. This is a Gen 4 58X 4X setup. It's an iron block 5.3 that's been taken out to a 383 stroker, and it's got some goodies in it. And we also ordered a Texas Speed camshaft and some other valve trank and components to go along with it. We're going to be sending the cylinder heads off and doing some other stuff and pairing this up with an ACES inside of a newer truck. It's going to be a pretty awesome little build when we get done with it. But we wanted to unbox this with you guys and show y'all what all comes with a Texas Speed crate engine if you're deciding to order one yourself. So we're going to pop the cap off this thing and see what's inside. Luckily, there is an engine in there. They did send us some royal purple break-in oil for this thing. They sent us 2 rounds of it. Just as everybody else, Texas Speed does have their own break-in procedure that they want to see done. We will be following that, kind of mixed with our own, because ours is a little more extensive. We don't do anything over 4,000 RPMs until about 1,000 miles and an oil change. That way the rings are seated and everything's mated properly. So right here, tucked away in the band of the engine, is the break-in procedure for a short block and a long block. And they go through it step by step along with their warranty disclaimer saying that they do not offer warranty on performance engines. And we got 12 quarts of royal purple. Let's see what weight they sent us. 1030. We do get 12 quarts of that. This right here should be our cam kit that we ordered. Just the cam, the springs, and the push rods for this job. We sourced everything else from another supplier. All right, so that's the Chop Monster cam. They don't put the name on the box, but it is the BFD LS3 is the one of the Chop Monster cams. The reason why we went with an LS3 camshaft on this particular build is because it does have rectangle port heads on it, and being that it is a 383 stroker, it's about as close to that LS3 in the end as we're going to get. So we felt like an LS3 cam would have done really good in it, and we're hoping to see pretty good gains out of it, especially for going in a pickup truck. Of course, it's smaller bore and more stroke than an LS3 with the rectangle port heads, LS3 heads, and the stroker. It being a stroker, we figured, why not? Let's try it, see how it does. So we've got that and the set of springs. We've got to send the heads off before we can get this thing put together. But the rest of the parts are here for this thing as well. But we really want to talk about this right now. So I'm going to get something so we can cut this band, get this cardboard and plastic off of it. We'll cut the plastic open, take a gander at this thing and see what it looks like. Tray spacers. They paint the block too. Alright guys, that was a pretty simple video. Wasn't much to really check out or look at except for this beautiful piece of machinery right here that's just screaming freedom at us. So we're gonna finish getting our ducks in a row, get the head sent off, work on getting this thing assembled, and get ready to put it in the truck. I said this is a 07 to 13 model pickup, and we are attempting to fuse together an ACES Jackpot system with the stock ECM and harness to keep it as factory as possible. But there may be a chance that's not going to happen because it's on a CAN bus system. So if you want to follow along that journey with us, see us put this thing together, bolt the heads on it, get the camshaft in it, do all the top end work, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. That way you get updates on when we drop new content. And look for us on social media at 727 Motorsports. If you have any questions with your LS build or LS swap, you can email us. Find the Contact Us page on our website, 727motorsports.net, and we will reply as fast as we can. We appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, if you're not following us, grab that button.